The mechanism of hearing is auricle, external auditory canal, middle ear, inner ear. Auditory cortex is part of the is called auditory cortex, and this part is called auditory pathway. Cochlear nerve, that part is called cochlear nerve, and this part is the eustachian tube, that is called the mechanism of hearing. Yeah, I will read about ear. That part of the on the left upper part, vertical bottom of the inner part of the ear is called external auditory canal. That part is called the auditory pathway, and upper side is called cochlear nerve. This part is called eustachian tube, and this is called the inner ear, and that part is called the middle ear. Here we see and listen about ear bones. Hammer, malleus, eardrum. That part of the ear bone is called the eardrum, and that part of the ear bone is called the anvil. Incis, strip, stapes. Further, we learn about cochlea. What is cochlea? Here we see and learn about cochlea. That is called the cochlea. This part is called the three semicircular canals, and that part below the three semicircular canals, open window. This part is called the open window. Below the open window, you see round window. This part of the cochlea is called round window. And the fourth part is scala vestibuli. This part is called the scala vestibuli. And on the right side, upper right side cochlear nerve. This part is called cochlear nerve. And down scala. This part is called scala tympani. Cochlear part is called scala tympani. And below the part is called scala media. Next we see and learn about organ of Corti. Here we see and learn about organ of Corti. Here this part is called the hair cell, and that part is called the tectorial membrane. Tectorial membrane. This part is called the tectorial membrane. And upper left down part is called the basilar membrane, and on the right down part is called the nerve fibers. Here you see and learn about organ Corti. Next you see and learn tonotopy. This is all about the ear and the mechanism of the ear. If you something listen in this video, please subscribe and like the videos. Thanks for watching.